Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to discuss this question which states represent the following words creatively to convey its meaning. And these words are happy and gloomy. So we will take the word happy first. Okay. Now we can for this kind of questions you have to select the colors and also the style of writing. Okay. To help that meaning of that word come out in a direct and effective way so that people have understand why that word has been written in that particular creative way. So suppose if I take certain colors, suppose I take this color and write the word H. All right, so this will be hand drawn, so you can select, you can write as you want. Okay, in a particular style, but your writing shall also be neat and clean so that, sorry about that word, neat and clean so that it is easily readable. Okay, so see, I'm choosing certain colors which would give me that necessary impact with my words, and which the colors which looks quite bright and goes with the meaning of the word. Now after I have written this word, then what I can do is I can select a tone which can help me uh, highlight certain parts, suppose like in this way. Okay, so these are like creative addition to give depth to the words. Okay, and this thus your words will start popping out. So these are some creative treatments or creative maneuvers that most many artists tries to make their creatives come out. Okay, so you can try all these things. Now you see how it starts looking. Now if I use white to some portions and add certain lines here, now see overall it starts giving me that feel, that happy feel. All right, now if I consider the word gloomy. Okay, so let's just select a darker color, darker tone, which would go with the meaning of the word. Okay, meaning of the word itself. All right, and also we have to bring that feel of the gloomy itself. So here my writing style would also be somewhat different. Okay, see how I am using my texturing uh, effects to bring that meaning of that word. So see, here the writing itself will start communicating the meaning. Now if I add certain strength here at certain places, all right, then if I then use certain other colors in the backdrop in certain lighter fashion, so it is just to aggravate the meaning and the feel of the word itself. All right, so in this way, see that feel of that word is coming out, even if I am not uh, writing the word in a certain fashion. So these kind of treatments you have to understand that these treatments only you can only do this if you are very well aware of the meaning of the word and how it can relate to that uh, feel and mood factor of the word itself. So whenever you are confused with certain words, like what to do with it, then you can relate that word to certain objects, like as a kind of an adjective, if this adjective depicts certain objects or not, then you can take inspiration from that object's physical features and incorporate that into your sketches. So thus you see there is a drastic difference between these two uh, sketches of the words. and thus this as a whole represents the creative depiction of the words. So if you carefully observe how drastic their creative treatment has been given here, so that their meaning and comes up. So this is a certain kind of skill that you may have to develop, because this kind of question comes a lot. So you can take any question, any word from the dictionary, try to understand its meaning and try to convey them according to its meaning with your colors and other creative tools. So I hope you find this lesson to be interesting, and you keep practicing like this, and you will very soon get a sense of how to represent words creatively. Thank you.